Welcome my YouTube family to the episode number 37. Hope you all are taking proper care of yourself by doing pranayam, walk, exercises and by taking proper food. Overall, listen to your body. Like insects, your sense antennas should be over alert all the time. Don't neglect 0.1% uneasiness in your body. If we take steps at the very beginning of any illness, definitely the damage would be nominal. I am doing my part. Hope you are also. Let me start the display. This episode is of cotton only. I am starting the cotton sarees, today's cotton sarees with the off-white. I have 4, 5, 6 off-white sarees, very simple but with little work. This is the blouse piece, one blouse piece, and the kantha patches, like this. This is for the pallu, and the blouse is of the similar work. So when you will wear the blouse with it, this blouse, it will be very nice contrast and very stylish also. 2550 with similar concept, white and red. That was with black, it is with red. Red patches, throughout the border, and one red piping also there. This is a pallu, and the blouse will be like this. Just you can see, imagine it, how nice it will be. The same motif, same design, the patches and the blouse. 2550. It is also white and red. This is for blouse piece, one blouse piece. Here the applique work, it is the patchwork. And the blouse is with kantha, contrast blouse with kantha. 2250. 2250. These are handwork and machine work together. These patches are handwork. These patches are handwork. There also the blouse piece was handwork, and the patchwork was with machine. Here also I am showing you the patches are handwork. Kantha is there on that, and it is a pallu. Pallu is with machine work, and for the blouse also there is motif for the sleeves. 2250. It is patchwork and hand paint together. The kantha, it is a patchwork border, and here it is all throughout the kantha stitch border, and these are, you are very familiar with these motifs, with these hand paints. Yeah, like this. This is the pallu, and blouse will be red with kantha stitch border. 3550. Next is also kantha and hand paint together. Just see it is not print, absolutely handwork throughout, and it is hand paint. Yeah, this is a pallu, and this is the blouse piece. The motif will come like this. 3550. It is also very nice saree, but it is not handwork. It is with machine applique. This is the pallu, and the all over is this, and contrast blouse piece with like this. $3550. Now it is Khesh cotton with contrast blouse. This is for the blouse piece with this border for the sleeves, and this contrast border is also there throughout. Beautiful color. Here you will get all sarees are very colorful. Initially I had shown you few very sober off-white sarees. This is the pallu, and this is a border is attached, and blouse is also of same color with a border with this yellow. The price is 2950. Khesh cotton with kantha stitch, different color. Here it is. This is a blouse piece. Nice blue. Actually, it is weaved with black and blue has given this beautiful different shade of blue. And the contrast maroon border and blouse piece. It will look like this. Price is same, 2950. Now it is again another off-white and red. Red is the blouse piece with this border to be used for as per your requirement. Nice motifs, all are handwork, everything is handwork. Where it will be machine I will mention. This is a pallu. Contrast border, blouse piece, 2950. Very comfortable material, soft, not means hassle free, not the starch is required very much. This is the blouse piece. Those who want the stiff texture, they can put the starch. It is not compulsory, but you can, it will starchable also. Yeah, patli pallu, just see how nice, maroon, grey, and with that this yellow has been combined. Yeah, like this it will be. This is the blouse piece. Nice combination, I think. Price is same, 2950. Here it is, blue and red. This is for the blouse piece. I have taken it wrong side. Yeah, like this. All are handwork. Everything is handwork, kantha stitch, attached border and contrast blouse piece. Yeah, like this. $2950. Another maroon and golden blouse piece like that. Yeah, this is a blouse piece with the border. Here the work is like gradually one patti has been given. Like this. $2950. Now golden yellow and maroon is the blouse piece with border. It is also partly pallu. In the plates this stripe with green So yellow, green, maroon, very colorful. Yeah, like this. It is blue and yellow. This is the blouse piece with border. It is also patli pallu. In the pleats, maroon and blue is the stripe. Front will be maroon only in the yoke. Like this. $2950. Another of white and red. Motifs will be different. No two pieces are similar. This is the blouse piece with the border. It is not patli pallu, it is all over same type. Everything is pure cotton, hand worked with blouse piece. 2950. Of this kind, it is the last one, the grey and red, my favorite combination, one of the favorites. Very decent. This is a purple. And red will be the blouse piece. Now it is half and half. I had shown you in the episode number, I think 35, 7 sarees, and you liked those sarees so much. On the first day everything was sold, and after that so many requests was there. I have 4 pieces, another 4 pieces. I am showing those 4 pieces. Nice combination. Very intricate work. This is all throughout, it is hand work. You can understand, you can see it, and the combination is so nice. And contrast blouse also. 2 blouse pieces with this. It is 3550. It is red and black. On black multicolored. This is a blouse piece, one. Half and half, this all a full. This worked portion, so colorful, like this. And this is a blouse piece number 2 with full work. 3550. This is a blouse piece. If you don't want to cut it, you will get more pleats. It is not necessary that you have to cut it and make another blouse. I will prefer not to cut it because as I'm giving another very nice blouse piece, so I think it is wise not to cut for getting more pleats. Yeah, this is a up to half portion, and this is a blouse piece with it. And the last piece of today's episode, yellow and black, most attractive one, that is why it is the showstopper. This is the blouse piece. And this is a blouse piece. Display part is over. One thing to be mentioned, that all sarees are of single piece and is not recreatable ditto. So choose your piece as early as possible and let me know. Over everything, take care of yourself as much as you can. Namaskar.